Probably notice this shade of purple and red. That's excessive heat warnings. This is where heat index values could go 105 to 110, especially tomorrow in our area around Breckenridge and Grayson County. Bottom line, regardless, advisory warnings in this case, you got to take it easy in the highest of the afternoon heat. When we start to get temperatures in the 90s in your 12-hour forecast, and we're going to peak around 94 today, that's going to feel like 102. So a similar level of heat and humidity that we've had now for an entire week. Today is our 7th day in a row of 90-degree heat, and we carry that warmth into the evening. 89 by 9 o'clock, still feeling like the upper 90s. Now, a big difference from today compared to yesterday is later in the afternoon and evening. I don't think we see the cooling showers and storms, so we'll stay on the dry side. Clear and quiet tomorrow morning, also staying on the dry side through a good chunk of our Wednesday. As we get a little later Wednesday night into Thursday, frontal system starts moving in our direction, and I do see a scattering of some showers and storms in our Thursday skies as a front moves through. By Friday and Saturday, we are drying out, and some nicer, cooler changes will be heading our way. In fact, Wednesday's high at 94 feels like 100 plus. But 84 will feel like 84 on Friday. So not just a 10-degree temperature difference on either side of this frontal system, but the feels like temperatures will be down upwards of 20 degrees. So that's a lot of good news in the 7-day as we watch for that impact weather Thursday as the front moves through. So 2 more hot days to go. Storms on Thursday, and then Friday through the weekend. Lows in the pleasant 60s, afternoon highs in the 80s. Those are all a little bit below normal for the time of year. We'll keep it mid-80s Monday, but add back in a chance of showers and storms. All right, that's the latest on the skies. Let's check in with Suzanne now, see if there's any slowdowns after the rush.
Yeah, we're watching for a couple of problem spots here. So 64 eastbound coming out of Floyd County as you're approaching the Sherman-Minton Bridge a little bit closer to Market Street. We do have one lane currently blocked due to a crash there, so you're going to want to scoot on over to the left-hand side here. Also watching for 2 separate things going on here. We have reports of a structure fire as well as a non-injury crash right at Fort Haven Road and St. Anthony Church Road, so we'll keep eyes on that for you. Also watching for an accident Snyder southbound to New Cut. Right now we're coming up on 9:15. Let's send it back over to Alex.